Hi, welcome to the Silver Tempest Dave and Eddie box break. We're just going to show you the hits. We're going to go 6 to the front, show them to you, see what we get. Last box break we got an Unknown V alt art, pretty sweet card. Very pleased with that one. This is from a totally different case, so hopefully we get another alt art. That's what our hopes are. And here we go. Start with the Alolan Vulpix.
I like Regieleki better. Chinchou reverse, non-hollow or Maldo.
Honchkrow. And a V-Star Unknown right off the bat. First one.
You actually got a hit this time.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Second pack, Lugia. I like the Lugia.
The alt art I want.
Yeah.
Arcanine reverse. Oh. Reshiram V.
All right. We got a Morpeko reverse hollow and a non-hollow Cling Clang.
Reverse.
Oh, thank you.
There. Ooh.
I failed opening this pack miserably. There we go.
Swirlix reverse and a Miss Magius non-hollow.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. An Indeedee reverse and an Alolan Vulpix V. All right. 2 for 3. My left side will probably go dead after this. Why is this done to me?
Oh, Corviknight V Trainer Gallery full art reverse.
Nice.
Hollow Archeops.
Wow, that's a cool card. It's got a lot of green in it. Good card.
Like Archeops. It's our first hollow.
6. Durant, non-hollow.
Kevin
or
Durant.
Reverse hollow. Kevin Durant. And a hollow Forest Sealstone.
I don't like hollow.
Could be worse. All the way back around to the Alolan Vulpix packs.
Theoristo Girl reverse. Non-hollow Victini.
Four, 5, 6 to the front. Braixen, Trainer Gal. Frostlass. Non-hollow. Like the Trainer Gallery hits. I like those. Oh, I got the V-Star card.
Candace reverse. Regieleki VMAX.
Nice.
Rainbow Rare.
Pull. I like that. A lot of texture to that too. I got Leafy Camo Reverse.
Amungus.
And Amungus. There's a fungus Amungus. Dad joke, sorry. Two, three, four, five, six.
Murkrow Reverse. And a non-hollow Hisuian Lilligant.
Oh, Radiant Alakazam. In a non-hollow Delphox. Oh, Charizard, that's my favorite. Radiant.
There's a new Radiant Charizard coming out in Crown Zenith.
January 20th.
It's close. Radiant Jirachi.
Oh,
And a Zygarde non-hollow.
little Jirachi. A reverse hollow Reniculus. Yeah, Reniculus. And a non-hollow Gardevoir. Almost halfway there, getting close.
Oops.
One, two, three.
Just figuring. Oh, V-Star.
V-Star card of death. Reverse hollow Brandon. And a Fione non-hollow.
Beheem Reverse. And a Terrakion Hollow. Told you, card of death.
V-Star. Looks like the loser. Fanappy, reverse. And a hollow Dragapult.
Milotic from the Trainer Gallery. And a Lugia V.
All right.
It's actually our first ever Lugia V.
Yeah. It's actually one of the cooler V cards I've ever seen.
Same with the Ho-Oh. The Ho-Oh is pretty cool too.
Clink, reverse hollow. And a non-hollow Verizon.
It's frozen. Zubat Reverse. And a non-hollow Talonflame. Struggled there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keldeo, reverse hollow. And a Hisuian Arcanine V. Nice.
Paper cut.
You got a paper cut from a Pokemon card?
That's a sharp edge, okay. Fletchling Reverse. And a Mawile V-Star.
All right. Got a decent stack of cards ready to sleeve. That's good. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Reverse hollow Altria. And a non-hollow Cobalion.
Reverse unidentified fossil and a Keldeo non-hollow. Scooch over this a little.
Got 5 packs left. 5 packs each, excuse me. Got mine upside down.
Never even seen this card.
Cobalion reverse. And a non-hollow Hisuian Bravery.
I've never even seen this card. Quadstone, a reverse hollow, a non-hollow Incineroar.
Getting down, getting down. Pack battle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, well, never mind. I lose.
You got the V-Star card. I got a reverse hollow Kirlia.
Oh, I can't
And a
beat that.
Regieleki V full art.
Got an Articuno reverse. Ow, paper cut. With a Chestnut V.
Chestnut.
Paper cut. I don't think a chestnut would hurt as much as a paper.
Wow.
I have two paper
Show
cuts.
that one again.
I have 2 paper
That
cuts.
thing's got a lot of texture. That's a nice card. Ooh.
Dragonite reverse with a Zeraora non-hollow.
I got a V-Star card.
Guard of Death.
I got a Gardevoir. Gardevoir full trainer art. Losing cards there. Oh, and a Dragonite hollow. I like the Dragonite though. Eddie's stack fell over.
Yes.
2 packs to go.
Yes, it does.
Couldn't hold his stack.
Archin reverse. Archin, however you want to say it. And a Klinklang non-hollow.
Bravery reverse.
Milotic.
Non-hollow.
Last pack magic.
Last pack magic. Started with the Alolan Vulpix. Can I end with the Alolan Vulpix?
I have 2 I too am going to end with the Alolan Vulpix.
And I got a Sandy Gas right on top here. Ah, I got the wrong color code card.
I got the right colored code card. So hopefully. Klinklang reverse. Rapidash hollow to end it.
Got a Spinda reverse. And a non-hollow Norvian. Noivern.
Words no working.
Not working, that's right. Well, that's the end of our break. Kind of go through our hits here real quick. The Gardevoir. Regieleki.
Chestnut. Mawile V-Star.
Mawile V-Star.
Hisuian Arcanine V.
Hisuian Arcanine. The
Lugia
V. Milotic. Trainer. Jirachi. Radiant Alakazam. Man.
Regieleki.
Well, we got 2 Regielekis. That's right.
VMAX.
We got the VMAX Rainbow. Trainer Gal Breakson.
Corviknight Full Art Trainer Gallery.
Full Art Trainer Gal. Lowland Vulpix V. And the Reshiram V to round it out. Thanks for watching. I'm not Eddie. He's not Dave. Have a good one.